Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about a recent launch from Samsung. So yesterday in Samsung event like which it organized, it launched new types of products like smartphone series S21 and even like a new truly wireless earbuds and so in that same event Samsung launched a new product named as Samsung Smart Tags. So we are going to talk about this product things and everything like what it does and my suggestions everything in this video. So the first thing is this Smart Tags is so new. Even like all the companies, they are just working on this product. But before that itself, Samsung has been the first company to launch this Smart Tags in the market. So this Smart Tags is purely electronical tags like where you can connect to your any devices or like any things whichever you want, like which you feel that you always like you have to spend some time to find those products, like maybe like keys or even like your pets collars like cats and dogs collars, luggages or any kind of things which like normally lots of people will just keep it in some place and you don't know where you have kept it, and you'll always keep on searching it, and so then you can use this Smart Tags. So it is quite good. The shape is also quite good. It comes in two colors, black and white, where there's a small hole on top of it. Just connect it to anything like whichever you feel that you'll always lose it on a period of time. You can just connect to it, and what is the thing is, with help of your Samsung devices, you can just find the location of it. So that is what the first thing, what this full thing works. And the next thing is it comes in two variants. Like the company has given it two variants. The first thing is Smart Tag and the next thing is Smart Tag Plus. So what is the major difference here is the working and everything is same. The only difference here is the technology used here. So in basic model, that is Smart Tag, the company has used BLE, so that is Bluetooth Low Energy technology, whereas on the other side on Smart Tag Plus they have gone for UWB, that is Ultra Wide Band. So what is the major difference here is the working and everything is quite good. The only difference is its signal strength. So in the sense like if you use any cars or any vehicles like maybe like 2 to 3 years back, like if you're using those type of cars right now, then for unlocking those cars you'll be having a small remote control in your key holder, and so where in those models the technology used there is BLE, that is Bluetooth Low Energy technology. So where the signal strength is very less when compared to UWB, in the sense like when you have BLE technology in your car, then you should come at least to a minimum range where this BLE will work, and adding more to it, if there is any obstacles and so like your car is parked way in between two walls or like in between two roads or surrounding your cars there are like 2 to 3 other cars, and so then this BLE will not work properly. There will be some issues. So that is mainly due to this signal strength. That's it. So whereas this BLE's advanced technology is UWB, that is ultra wide band, where the signals can pass even through walls, and the technology is so precise. And nowadays all the cars, all the vehicles on all models, smartphones and everything is coming with UWB. So that's it. So this is what the major differences is, and these both technology works completely same, and it is also the consumption which these both technology uses very less, in the sense it will not drain your charge in your smartphones and so that's it. So here this is what the difference between these two variants which the company has given. So the next thing which we have to talk here is about how it works and all those other specs. So for doing this full thing, first you have to connect this Smart Tag via Samsung Smart Things app, which is available on Play Store. So you can just install it up and you can just connect to this Smart Tags. Here either your Bluetooth used, there is Bluetooth 5.0, so which is good. So you can just connect it, and whenever it is lost, like you can just open your Samsung phones and you can just look for the location like where it is, and so but still after knowing the location, if you have any problems like where the product which you have left and so, then what you can do is you can make this Smart Tag to produce sound, so which is quite good. So for doing this, just go to this app and there will be an option named as Ring. So just click on that, then automatically the ringtone which you have kept in your Samsung phone phone will be blowing out by that smart tag, so which is quite good, and you can just increase the volume up and down and you can find that products. So this is how this full thing works, and adding more to it, they have also made this smart tag as a remote. So this remote works completely for Samsung products like Samsung TVs or like ACs or vacuum cleaner sensors, where you can use this smart tag for turning those devices on and off. So which is quite good and quite efficient as well. So adding more to it, like what are the other things is yeah, like suppose the range which is available for this smart tag is around like 394 feet, so that is like 120 meters. And suppose if your product is like being stolen or someone is taking it, then what you can do is, if there is any other Samsung devices around you, then with the help of those devices also you can find that location. So which is quite good in the sense, like you have to just find for some people who also have Samsung devices around you, and you can also ask them to check it, like where this smart tag is currently. So with the help of that you can find the location and you can find your product, so which is quite good. And this is how this full product works and what are the other technologies and so. And coming to the final thing is about this product's price and availability. So the first thing is it comes in two colors, like black and white, and is going to be live from Jan 29 on Samsung's official website. I'll put the link in the description, so where you can go and start purchasing it. And the price of this product comes around like the smart tag, like with the BLE technology, comes around like 2,200 Indian rupees, so like $30 US. Whereas the next product, like with the UWB, that is smart tag plus, comes around like $30 US, that is like 3,000 Indian rupees. So you can start purchasing from Jan 29. It is quite good and efficient. There is no problem and so. So the next thing is a small note here which I want to say here is, this full technology of this smart tag and smart tag plus works only in Samsung devices, in the sense with Samsung phones, smart tablets and so. Only with those things this product will work. So if you ask me why, then there is a small answer for you, because like just 2 months back, Apple, like the famous company, told that they are also working on this tag related stuff named as AirTags, so which they will be launching on their next upcoming events and so. But what is the thing is, when they are launching also, they will first say it will work only for their iOS phones or iOS devices and so. This is why because like the traffic of the people will be increasing, and adding more there will be lots of people who will do comparisons, like where they will compare like what is there in this Samsung or Apple which is not there in other devices. So during those times like there will be a good hook, like good point for Samsung, where they have this smart tags. So with help of this, their purchase, like the products which the people start purchasing, will be increasing as well. So keeping that thing in mind, only these companies will first release those products only for their devices, and in the future, depending on the traffic and source, and since they have launched this, automatically all companies also will start working on it, and they will also launch their products. So this is what the main hook. So this product works completely only on Samsung devices. A small note here, if you have any other smartphones, then this product is not a good choice for you. Just wait for your company to launch it. So that's it. So on my suggestion, this smart tag is quite good. You can 100% use it. So if you have any family, friends, or even your father or mother, or even you have some problems, like you don't know where where you kept your products properly, and so then 100% you can go for it. This is a good product for you. So that's it. So with this, I just end this video. So hope you like this video. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. So if you have any doubts related to this product, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.